Glam Dolls. So I'm back again to share with you another NYC Cosmetics Trio palette, and today it is number 781, Long Beach Sands, which looks like this. This is the palette, and I got this from my local drugstore, and it only cost me $2.99, and for $3 this is the look that I came up with. And from looking in the mirror right here, I believe I did a pretty good job, so I want to share it with you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching this video, and everything I use will be in the info box down below, so make sure you check there for details. And I will see my glam dolls in another vid again shortly. Later, babes.